Hi there. I am Jack. Welcome to Top 7 Job Interview Questions and Answers. A successful interview can lead to a job offer and the opportunity to grow your career. But interviews can also be challenging. That's why we've created this video to help you prepare for some of the most commonly asked interview questions with sample answers. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Question 1. Can you tell me about yourself? Answer. Sure, I would love to. I am a senior software engineer with over 5 years of experience in developing web and mobile applications. I completed my bachelor's degree in computer science, and since then, I've been passionate about writing clean, efficient, and scalable code. Throughout my career, I have worked with various programming languages and technologies, such as Java, C#, Python, JavaScript, React, Node.js, and AWS. I have experience working in both startups and large corporations, and I've had the opportunity to work on projects ranging from developing complex e-commerce platforms to building mobile applications. Apart from technical skills, I also possess excellent communication and interpersonal skills, which have been vital in collaborating with cross-functional teams and delivering projects on time. I am constantly seeking new challenges and learning opportunities to further develop my skills and stay up to date with the latest industry trends. In summary, I am a highly motivated and dedicated software engineer with a passion for writing clean, efficient, and scalable code. I am excited about the opportunity to work with a team of like-minded individuals to create innovative solutions that solve complex problems. Question 2. What interests you about working for our company? Answer. I am excited about the opportunity to work at your company because of the company's reputation for innovation, creativity, and impact. I am impressed by the company's focus on developing cutting-edge technologies that can change the world, and I am excited about the potential to be part of a team that is driving positive change. Question 3. What sets you apart from other candidates? Answer. Thank you for considering me for this role as a software engineer at your company. In terms of what sets me apart from other candidates, I believe it comes down to 3 key factors. First, my passion for software engineering runs deep. I have been coding since I was in high school and have since then pursued formal education in computer science. I have also worked on a range of software projects, both professionally and as a hobby, which has given me a well-rounded understanding of the industry. Second, I am an effective problem solver. I have a knack for finding innovative solutions to complex problems, and I am able to think outside the box when necessary. In addition, I work well under pressure and can quickly adapt to new challenges as they arise. Lastly, I have strong communication skills. I recognize that software engineering is a team effort, and I am able to collaborate effectively with other team members to deliver high-quality results. I am also able to explain technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders in a clear and concise manner. Overall, I believe that my combination of passion, problem-solving skills, and communication abilities make me a strong candidate for this role at your company. Question 4. How do you approach problem solving? Answer. Sure, I'd be happy to. When it comes to problem solving, my approach can be broken down into a few key steps. Firstly, I make sure that I fully understand the problem at hand. This involves gathering all the necessary information and breaking down the problem into smaller, more manageable parts. I ask questions and try to gain a clearer understanding of what the problem is and what is expected of me. Once I have a good grasp of the problem, I start brainstorming potential solutions. I consider various approaches and weigh the pros and cons of each. I also think about potential roadblocks that may arise and how I can work around them. Once I have a few potential solutions in mind, I begin to evaluate them. I think about which solution is most likely to be effective, efficient, and maintainable. I also think about the impact each solution may have on the rest of the system and the potential downstream effects. Finally, once I've settled on a solution, I begin implementing it. I start by breaking down the solution into smaller, more manageable tasks and begin working on each one. I also make sure to test my code thoroughly to ensure that it's working as expected and to catch any potential bugs or issues early on. Overall, my problem-solving approach is centered around gathering information, brainstorming potential solutions, evaluating those solutions, and then implementing the best solution. I also prioritize clear communication with team members and stakeholders throughout the process. Question 5. Can you give an example of a time when you worked on a complex project and how you handled it? Answer. In my previous role, I was part of a team that was responsible for developing a complex software system that would help a company improve its risk management capabilities. The project was complex because it involved integrating with multiple legacy systems and had to meet strict regulatory requirements. To handle the project, we first started by breaking down the requirements into smaller, more manageable pieces, and we developed a detailed project plan with specific milestones and deadlines. I was responsible for overseeing the development of the user interface, which was one of the most critical components of the system. To begin, I conducted extensive user research and worked with a UX designer to create a wireframe that was intuitive and easy to use. I then collaborated closely with the development team to ensure that the front end was integrated seamlessly with the back end and met the necessary performance and security standards. Throughout the project, I also closely monitored the progress of other teams and proactively communicated with stakeholders to identify any issues or potential roadblocks. In some cases, we had to pivot and make changes to the project plan to ensure that we were able to deliver on time and with the expected level of quality. Overall, I was able to successfully navigate the complexities of the project by breaking it down into manageable parts, communicating effectively with team members and stakeholders, and being flexible in my approach when needed. In the end, we delivered the software system on time, and it was well received by the company and their customers. Question 6. How do you stay up to date with industry trends and developments? Answer. Staying up to date with industry trends and development is critical in the field of software engineering, and it's something I take seriously. I have several strategies that I use to stay current with the latest industry developments. First, I regularly attend conferences and meetups focused on software engineering and related technologies. These events provide an excellent opportunity to learn from other industry professionals, network with peers, and discover new tools and techniques. Second, I actively participate in online forums and communities, such as Stack Overflow and GitHub, where I can connect with other software engineers and contribute to the wider developer community. This not only allows me to stay informed about the latest industry developments, but it also gives me the opportunity to share my own knowledge and expertise with others. Third, I regularly read industry publications, such as tech blogs and journals, to stay informed about the latest trends and best practices. Lastly, I have a personal interest in experimenting with new technologies and exploring emerging trends in software engineering. I'm always eager to try out new tools and techniques and look for opportunities to incorporate them into my work. Question 7. What is your experience with collaborating on cross-functional teams? Answer. Collaborating on cross-functional teams is something I've had extensive experience with throughout my career as a software engineer. In fact, I believe that working collaboratively across functions is essential to delivering successful software projects. In my previous roles, I've worked with teams comprised of developers, designers, product managers, and quality assurance professionals. I've also worked with teams that included stakeholders from different departments and external vendors. To collaborate effectively, I always make sure that everyone involved in the project is clear about their roles and responsibilities. I believe in having regular check-ins to ensure that everyone is aligned and that any issues are identified and addressed as early as possible. I also believe in creating a culture of open communication and feedback. I encourage team members to share their ideas and opinions, and I value constructive criticism. By doing so, I believe we are able to identify problems earlier and ultimately deliver better outcomes. Overall, my experience working on cross-functional teams has taught me the importance of communication, collaboration, and a user-centric approach to software development. I believe these skills are essential for delivering successful software projects in today's fast-paced and dynamic business environment. Thanks for watching the tutorial. If you like this video, please hit the like button.